Okay, so we're just gonna film this one oasis. I'll tell you all about it in a minute. It looks kind of like that. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are at One Oasis. This is basically kind of an expat enclave. So a lot of foreigners choose to live here. I think it's because it's good for families. You got kind of big spacious apartments and there's kind of a community as well. So so you can kind of see like how big some of these windows are. And then over here there's a hotel 13. Let's see if we can walk across. So I did another video, you can check it out, and I went to and I saw like Sky Cafe, a little place in there. It looks like there's a park here too in the middle, open from 6 to 12, but COVID, so maybe there's only one entry. I don't see anybody in there. But this is basically what Oasis looks like. Not too far away is Taipa. So well, sorry, we are in Taipa, but Koloan. So the Koloan and Taipa are merged together. So I think this is basically in Koloan, and then Taipa is not too far away. And then these are some of the hills, and over there is like beaches and mountains. But anyways, some of you might be curious a little bit of what it looks like. This is basically what it looks like. And maybe what I'll do is I'll combine my other video. I focus on that red one, Hotel 13. So I'll just take, you know, that little area that had the Sky Cafe and bars and such. Or that might be a nice little addition to this one as well. So hope you like this one. One Oasis, just kind of a big complex of apartments with a nice park in the middle and kind of this rotunding circular thing. And that's this is Sky Oasis right there, but all these ones have names for them. So okay, little taste of Macau anyway. So I think some people are kind of curious what Macau is like for living. And my understanding of One Oasis, there's not a whole lot to you know, it's kind of its own little community out here. I think that's why the rent's a little bit lower. You're a little bit disconnected from the city. But I saw there's if you saw that other video previously with that one, you can get an idea of what's kind of around anyways. All right, hope you like this one, One Oasis. Okay, here we are. I think it's Hotel 13. I'll label it properly later. And it's kind of give you some context. These are a bunch of apartments here, and then Kotai Strip is down that way, and then this is kind of an industrial area and more apartments over there. But this one is kind of an interesting building that I don't really understand, but it's quite bright red and you can see it from quite a distance. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk over into this thing called the veranda and see what all these commercial things are. And then yeah, the 13 it's called. So there's a bus right there, so that the buses traditionally would take you to the airport and ferry terminals, but of course those are all closed during the COVID era, so I don't know what they have there now. Yeah, that's the hotel, Hotel 13. And then right next to it, One Club KTV, dry cleaning specialist, Sky Cafe, parking shop. That's kind of cool. These are in Taipa Village. So I've never been in here before. Sky Cafe right there. I think that's One Oasis. We're down the other side. This has like Korean barbecue. These things right here, usually you do Korean barbecue on them. So let's just see. Looks like a whole little complex in here. Japanese barbecue. I wonder if these are all closed with COVID or if they're open. Oh, this is Thai style. So Thai, meatball, seafood, vegetables, fish. And there's a grill. The taste. So this is a whole little food court in here. I think I have heard of Sky Cafe, but it's it serves more people, I guess, in this area. So I think One Oasis is around here. Taobao, official pickup. Dry cleaning specialist, parking shop. So yeah, I guess all the people would shop here and park and shop. And this was called a KTV. Huh. Okay, so I guess let's see what else is around here. We might go upstairs and just see what we can see over this way, that way too. The Taste. So yeah, this Hotel 13 is kind of near one Oasis. So let's just kind of go up to the top and we can see more of what's around here. It looks like a really nice little complex though. There's somebody with his suitcase. Maybe they might stay at Hotel 13. Huh, okay. So there's even more over here. And I believe these are all the there's a Hotel 13 right there. The Veranda Lifestyle Mall. Jack's Kitchen. Huh, a nice little place. More food. So I don't know, there's a lot to explore in this area. So it looks like that's one Oasis as well. Jam and Butter Bakery, okay. Veranda Lifestyle Mall. The Veranda. Huh. Okay, so this is one Oasis. This is a little taste of it. This could probably be a whole other video, but my main focus right now is this red Hotel 13 building. But they're doing more construction here. And that's one Oasis. Really nice apartment buildings. But this is our focus right here. So this is Hotel 13, so we're gonna just focus on it. And next to it is the one Oasis is kind of a lot of expats. They live in this area, one Oasis. Basically because the there's all the Hotel 13 stuff. Basically they live here because you get a lot more value for your buck. And they look really nice too. And there's a big sign, one Oasis. So yeah, we got Hotel 13, this big red building, and then one Oasis is right next to it. I didn't really understand the context very well until now. But yeah, you can see the sign for one Oasis and some of the apartment buildings. They all look a little bit similar, the one Oasis style, but this has a whole different style. Huh. It's like a big balconies that stretch out there in the middle of this particular one, right in this little row. And Hotel 13 is kind of our focus. So we're gonna keep on focusing on Hotel 13. And I can see it from this angle. The sky is really moving, those clouds. That's one Oasis over there. Then you got more apartments down this way too. And just for reference points, Estrada de Sayac Pai Van. And then you have another little complex over here called Praia Park. First grade entertainment in one go. So it looks like they're condo units with entertainment, whatever that means. And again, Hotel 13. And Praia Park Apartments. And then way over there is Cotai. So I think maybe we'll just kind of stick. Okay. And then over that way there's like kind of a mountain. So that's Koloan. And it's I can't remember the name of it, but it has like if you go over that mountain, then there's beaches basically, and a lot of hiking trails inside the mountains too. Okay, so now we're gonna come out on this side. This whole thing is blocked, I guess because of COVID maybe. So anyways, we got to see the Veranda which I believe a lot of One Oasis people like to go to. I've heard people talk about it that live in One Oasis. The Sky Cafe, I mean, in particular. It's a bar that's where they would go. They don't have to drive to go there, right? They just walk over and have a beer and hang out with whoever else is in One Oasis. Okay, and that's our focus today. Hotel 13, Macau. Chiquinha.